louder. The rose becomes crimson. The nightingale's voice grows fainter. The thorn touched her heart, and a fierce pang of pain shot through her. Look! Look! The rose is finished! The nightingale lays motionless on the ground, and the tree is saddened by watching the seeds. At noon, the student opens his window and looks out. He sees the red rose and beams with delight and surprise.
Wow, what a wonderful piece of luck! Here is a red rose. I haven't seen this red rose in all my life. I know it's long since it came more than that game. I must go to my girl and give this to her. I better hurry. My lady, you said that you would dance with me if I have to give you a red rose. Here is the reddest rose in all the world. Come with me to the dance and wear this tonight. Wear it next to your heart. So as we dance together, everyone will know how much I love you.
The girl stood up. She frowned as if clueless as to what the student was talking about, and then laughed.
I'm afraid you not go in my dress. And besides, the chambers that you have sat on your appearance, expensive and magnificent jewels, and they cost much more than some narrative jewelry, trash and flower.
But what? What you promised me?
Forget about it. I don't like you.
Silly little thing love is. It's not half as useful as logic. For it does not prove anything, and making one believe things that are not true. In fact, it is quite impractical. And in this age, to be practical is everything. I shall go back to philosophy. Forget about love.